This is the elevator at 300 North Duke Street. I think this is a part of Duke Health University, something like that, in Durham, North Carolina. It's a ThyssenKrupp Sigma 4. I'm not sure if this is in Durham, if this is oil drop. I think this is a 2012 installation. Actually, that door elevator sounds like the one used on Synergy. Go up to 2. Here we go. I think there's one other elevator that took it to that. It's a 2-floor Synergy. That's interesting. I said that was the Synergy door operator sound. That's interesting. Here are 2. Back down to 1. Lanterns in the hall. That's weird, a 2-floor Synergy. The basic, I guess I kind of looked that over on the records. It's a basic like lightweight. I think we're going to kind of like more like a wood vinyl floor. Here I got 1. Certificate installed, 2014. I thought this was like 2012. It's like an old warehouse turned into Duke. Here, close as that's going to be it.